3 weeks ago, I wasted $20 on Claude Design because I found that open source Claude Design alternative. It runs on your local laptop and it connects with Claude Code, Gemini, and Cursor. I have been using it for 2 weeks ago. Build real world projects with it. And today I'm going to show you that exact whole thing in live. Stay still full video because there is one thing this free open source AI tool can do that I generally cannot explain, and you need to see it yourself. Before I get into the video, we are close to 250 subscribers, so please subscribe our channel. That helps us to reach 250 subscribers today. So don't waste your time, let's get started. So Claude Design, Anthropic new AI design tool, you have probably seen it. It's basically a Figma that runs itself. You describe what you want, it's built full UI, real code and design that's actually impressive. But there is one problem. You need Claude Pro, that's $20 a month, and you can only use Claude model inside it. There is no open source models. Now that's fine if you are okay for paying. If not, then an open source alternative just dropped that does exact same things with more model support, and it costs absolutely nothing. It's called Open Design and nobody is really talking about it yet. Think of Open Design as Claude Design but open source and completely for free. It's actually more powerful in some ways. It works with Claude Code, Gemini CLI, Cursor, Llama, and OpenClaw. Literally, if you have any AI models, then you can run it. And it comes preloaded with 71 professional design systems. So when you are saying build me a SaaS landing page, it's building from same rules that billion-dollar products use. Okay, so let's set up it. And I know what you're thinking. Here comes the 20 steps developer nightmare. It's generally not. Go to that Open Design GitHub page, link in the comment section. Download the installer. If you are on Mac, then get .dmg, or if you are Windows, then you select .exe and click it, install it and open, and simply sign up with your Google and GitHub account. Now when it's open, it asks which AI model to connect, and this is where you skip paying for anything. Use Google Gemini, and Gemini gives you 1500 completely free requests every single day just for logging in with your Google account. If you don't have installed it yet on your terminal, simply go over this website and copy this command, paste over the terminal and wait for its installation. Okay, after install Gemini CLI on your terminal, now you have an open source AI design tool that powered by free Gemini models, runs locally on your machine, and that the same workflow that costs $20 a month with Claude Design now costs zero. Okay, now what to do? Simply select your agent and click on that test. If you have test successfully, then click on that continue and close all things because you don't need to pay anything, and close this program and reopen Open Design. You can see its cool interface and you can chat with it. If you click on this, you can see that multiple templates. You can clone anything that's Apple style or other thing, and you can see that its workflow, and you can plan it or you can directly design with it. You can select your model. Let me show you that what it actually builds. I am building something right now. It asks some question before it build anything. It's basically interviewing you like a real designer would. Explain it free and it does not take 2 weeks. Okay, you can see this cool preview of our design, and let me introduce all those things. If you click on this, you can simply screenshot of your design. That helps you to enhance your design system. You can directly comment down with it. If you comment down, and then it improve your design, and you can directly edit your text or you can select your text. That helps you to improve your website that looking beautiful. And if you want to edit your text or your color, then you can directly edit manually because you don't need to edit it, and you can see that its whole code, and you can export with zip file or other things. And the best part is you can directly import with your VS Code. Okay, now go to that home page, and if you scroll down of it, you can see that 70 of templates free available for you. You can use for your project, and you can see how cool it is. You can scroll down, and with scrolling animation, beautiful font and all those things. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you have facing any problem, simply comment down it, or you can join our Telegram community. If you like our video, simply if this video has helped you, please like our video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel because all resources I will provide on our Telegram. So simply join it from our Telegram bio. Okay, I will see you in the next video.